And the trumpets they go. And the trumpets they go.
We're indoors. Why are you wearing a fucking visor?
Yeah, it's sunny.
Look at him.
I just tried to go to fucking Florida, but then they diverted my flight to this shitty ass.
Why
place.
is your bow tie not moving with your shirt?
Right?
Okay, look here. Look here. I don't know.
Alright, let's do this. Alright. So,
Alright.
guys,
Alright.
I was on my way to work, right? And I got dropped off at this shitty place. See, my customer,
Alright.
you know, my customer apparently lives here.
Waiting for Gamma.
Why my screen all blurry like this?
Yeah,
Oh, we won?
Gamma left.
Congratulations! Woo!
God damn it! Players.
Do we press continue?
Yeah.
Yeah. And Gamma's gone. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff.
And good night. Take two.
Alright.
Take two. Yes.
Take two.
Take two.
So, like, I was walking down the street in my 6'4". And,
Waiting for players.
Yeah.
Dropping them bitches.
Alright.
Alright,
I'm going
hey,
this way.
it's your boy.
I'm going this way.
Here.
I'm
Look at the way
following.
Gamma walked.
Oh, no, it's this way. It's this way. It's behind us.
Wait,
It's behind us. It's behind. I took the compass. I used the compass. Turn off your flashlights. You can see us.
I forgot how to play.
Press F.
How do I turn it off?
Press F.
Okay.
Stop it. Why am I leading? What the freak?
Huh? I don't want to follow the guy with the.
I don't want to follow the guy with the bike.
What are you? That's for me.
Why'd you scream?
I don't know how to turn on my flashlight.
Press F.
F.
I'm using a controller.
Oh my god, where is it? Where is it? Is it in front of us?
Okay.
Flash the light at her. Flash the light. Flash the light.
See? Never trust a guy in a freaking visor. God.
Okay, what does this do?
Right.
I
just got a statue.
Don't leave me. Tyrone, come on, please.
Oh, there goes my.
Please.
There's my.
Why you? Jesus.
Let's go.
Oh, it's somewhere around here.
Ah, there you go.
Tyrone.
I'm sorry. I ran.
Stop, guys. Don't leave me. Please. Alrighty.
What does the statue do?
Got one. Got one.
Tyrone.
Hey, yo.
I hear it.
Go! We have to help him. Oh, he's
What does the
dead.
statue do? Where'd the statue go?
Sorry.
Hey.
Oh no. What happened?
Hey, pills.
Yeah, it's this way.
Oh,
Where you guys go? Scream, motherfuckers! Where'd you go? Guys!
No!
Okay.
No, I'm sorry. It's over here somewhere.
What does the statue do?
I don't know.
It's a
It's somewhere
distractor, I
around
think.
Help someone! You guys!
You can't.
I'm fine.
Your eyes are crisscrossed for me. Look at his eyes.
I'm cross-eyed.
Guys, I'm over here. There's a tape nearby.
No, guys, it's this way. It's this way.
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't leave me behind.
It's over here. Somewhere.
Oh, yeah, I hear it.
Oh, I got fire! I got fire! No, Gamma! Guys, Gamma!
Flash a light at him!
Come on, Gamma! To the fire! Come on, Gamma, to the fire! Okay, now sit by the fire and just get some s'mores and yeah, have a good time.
I got it!
Oh, you got it? Okay.
Yeah, there's one over here, though. To the right, behind that door.
Alright, I'll protect you guys, okay? I'll protect you.
No, just hanging dead bodies just really reassures me.
Yeah, I know. I just realized that.
In here.
Oh,
Oh, I'm out.
My fire! Did it work?
I'm dead.
No, it did not work! It did not work! Turn off your light!
Don't stare at him. That's what you get, Tyrone. Now imagine me kicking you. Okay?
Imagine me kicking you.
Where'd Gamma? Guys, you're leaving Gamma! Gamma, come on! This way. Turn off your flashlight, Marco. That's
What did
really
that
fine.
What did that statue do that you had?
Don't follow me.
I'm follow.
I said don't follow me, you freaking doo-doo head. Got you guys.
Why me?
You're standing still!
I wasn't! I
Gamma,
was
be
trying.
with me. Be with me,
Alright, now I'm
Tyrone.
coming.
Hi, Gamma. You
Hi.
look as sexy as you.
Wait. What? Pick up statue. What is it?
You're gonna pick up a dead
Why
man's
pull up
statue?
to affect detect?
Where is it? It's somewhere right here.
Oh, you scared the shit out of me.
Oh
my god. Marco, come to listen right now.
I'm coming! Oh, you're so far away.
He's right here, Nika.
I'm alive.
It saved you.
I'm alive.
Can't fucking see shit though. Come this way. It's right here.
No.
You guys hear it, right?
No, I don't hear
It
it
has
at
to
all.
be right around this corner. It has to.
So it was like an easy level up. Alright, let's do this, guys.
Oh, it's this map.
So we came camping here a long time ago.
Oh, what's up? Our
Yeah,
old
this way,
campsite.
Come on, this way.
Where did you go?
I don't want to be leading the way. Guys,
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Oh.
Turn off your flashlight.
Oh, it's.
Oh my Jesus.
What the fuck are those?
What are those?
No,
I'm tripping balls.
What the fuck is going on here?
Help me right now.
I am. Ah.
What are those? What the fuck is this map?
Okay, we're going up here. This is where we need to go, so we're going.
In here. We're going in this tunnel.
We clearly
Let's
have
go.
this over here.
Over there? I can't. I don't know. Guys, you gotta come back out the tunnel. Please.
No, we
It
need to go
says it's
in the tunnel.
here.
You guys gotta go back out the tunnel because I'm scared.
Also, it is down here.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Where are you guys? Tyrone?
Oh shit, it's right there!
Oh my god. Oh my
Drop
god.
him. Why did you? Ew, what the fuck? What the fuck is a bitch?
How do you tell the bitch?
You can. You have to drop a one of the thingies. One of those. What are those thingies called?
Blair?
Yeah. Keep running.
Somebody compass right now. I wanna get out of here.
It's this way.
I'm tripping balls.
Tapeworms. Tapeworms.
Ah.
Don't look. Don't look at them.
I'm looking at you.
Ah, 3D
Saggy,
glasses!
saggy ass titty, bitch.
I'm this way. Are you guys behind me?
Come here,
Please tell me
bro.
somebody's behind me.
I'm behind you.
Please, somebody's behind me.
I'm behind you.
Oh my god, I hear it. Is that
There's
somebody?
over there.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit.
I heard it. I just did it.
Okay.
Where are you guys?
Bubbles.
Oh, okay, I see.
Where?
I see. I see.
Turn off your flashlights. Okay. Okay.
Okay, it's this
Alright.
way.
Anybody have? What's the incense
It's in
do?
this direction. It lets you see
Ah,
where
it's-
the
I'm
where the
coming,
enemy
Emma,
is.
I'm coming, Emma.
Oh! Watch out! Watch out! You're headed towards him.
Oh my
Listen,
God, oh my
not
God.
that way. Turn around. Listen.
Help me, please! Somebody take the hit, please!
Ah!
Oh no!
I beg for my life.
Don't
You
look
guys
like
turned me away.
It's this way. It's this. It's in this direction.
I
It's
begged
back.
for my life, and
Fuck.
you guys turned me away.
It's just in the fucking wall.
It says it's in the cave.
Wait, listen. Don't leave me. We gotta stick together. Now's not the time to split up.
Come on,
here!
Come over here.
Motherfucker, I have limited sprint! Ah! Fucking snuck up on me!
Oh no. Come on, guys.
Destroy that, Bubbles!
Destroy what?
It tells
Oh,
the thing right there!
sorry.
Tell them where we are. Oh. Where are you? Listen.
Come on, this way.
I'm just grabbing more light. No!
Come on, Marco, let's go.
Where? Okay. Okay.
What's this way? Come on.
Oh, it's over here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Keep running. Make sure your flat light is off.
Wait, where is it, Gamma?
I'm coming.
Oop, over here. I've literally never tried sucking in a helium balloon, at least not for a long ass time.
We're not talking about helium, Gamma.
God damn it.
Look for a while. Are we ready here?
We're waiting for you.
I'm waiting for everybody to say that they're ready.
I'm ready.
We've been ready, baby.
Yeah, like, what the
I
fuck?
don't know if that was for Gamma or for Mark. Oh,
Okay.
Jake.
Fuck you guys. I'm out. Bye.
God damn it, Marco. It's all your fault. Gamma or Gamma, where can you be? Under the tree and over the sea. Oh, Gamma, with your green fire, I wonder where you could be. We didn't mean to upset you. It's okay, cause you'll come back soon too. I wonder where Gamma could be. We miss him, oh yes sir, we something.
I want to buy a helium tank and move over.
Ooh, I did that with a balloon one time, bro. It was crazy.
Oh, don't say that.
We got fucking lit. Alright.
Oh
Jesus,
god, she's dying.
Calm down.
I said
She's dying.
crazy. Oh no. Who am I? Let's just start.
Who are you?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
What are you making?
I want to know why Bubbles is laughing so.
Yeah, me too.
That too. Jesus, did I leave to like Bubbles smoke an ass ton of weed? Jesus.
I thought you were gonna say smoking ass. It just
Smoke ass? Did she smoke ass? Bubbles, did you smoke ass? Wow.
and shit came out.
What?
What is even happening?
No. She smoked ass and shit came out.
Okay.
Mm.
I don't even know anymore.
Yeah,
Bubbles, are you okay?
I give
It
up.
hurts. It hurts. It hurts.
What?
Oh. Okay, alright. Okay.
You keep saying okay, but then you keep laughing.
Just get up and walk away.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Yeah, that really helps.
I'm done. I don't know where to go anymore.
1 second. They didn't close the door all the way. Actually, never mind. My mom's gonna have to come back in anyways.
Marco, I'm gonna die.
Oh, you're there.
I'm gonna die.
Alright.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I saw it, and I started to run, but then I stopped because I thought it was just Go up behind me, you asshole!
Play Boston.
Oh.
Okay. Turn on your flashlight, real quick. My flashlight's not working! I tried to flash it back! My flashlight's broken.
Hello?
Where are you guys?
Hello? I'm dead! I'm dead!
Why does my flashlight not work?
We got like.
Are we done? We're done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just go, bro. Right now, here
Oh yes, PK, get up, PK!
Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Hold on, do it. Nah. Hold on. Hold on, do it. Hold on. Yeah.